Oh Lord. Okay, macaroni and cheese. Macaroni and cheese and tuna is pretty good. My sister actually made me try it, and it's not bad. No, nope, no, 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 nope, 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 no. Okay, black pepper is fine, but ketchup on macaroni and cheese? No, 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 no. I won't. If somebody made it and said, "Go ahead, just give it a little taste," I would taste it. But just looking at this and thinking about all those ingredients together, I can't. I can't see it. I can't see it. Apparently, it's good because look at that plate. That thing is clean. I don't know about this one. Like I said, macaroni and cheese and tuna, bomb. But this, I don't know.